Hello friends, welcome to my channel HS Wari. Those friends, today in this video I will show you how you can use two WhatsApp in your Realme Narzo 50 Alpha mobile phone. As you can see on my mobile phone screen, there are two WhatsApp. One WhatsApp is normal, another one is a clone WhatsApp. So I will show you how you can use these two WhatsApp, how you can bring these two WhatsApp on your screen. So first of all, I will show you here. I'm using Realme Narzo 50 Alpha mobile phone for making this video, as you can see on my mobile phone screen. So if in this mobile phone, if you want to use two WhatsApp like this, and here you can see on my mobile phone screen, then you have to go to the settings. Inside the setting you have to go to the app management, and inside app management you will get the last one option, app cloner. Just open this app cloner, you will get WhatsApp here. Just open this WhatsApp and enable this app cloner from here. After that you can see the WhatsApp is here. So hope friend this video is helpful for you. If this is helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.